All right, Dr. Shankopotamus here. Nice afternoon, look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, working on the Hyosung GT250. There it is, my daughter's bike. I have a video, I think I do, where I put a lowering kit on this bike. And as it turns out, let me grab this down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You know, we lowered it quite a bit for her. I don't know, 3 centimeters, I don't know, give or take. And another piece, sorry for getting in front of the camera, that will really help out. Let me zoom out. If you lower it enough, your kickstand is a little too long. It causes it to set up just a little bit and doesn't lean over and be real stable. So they also make this adjustable here on the back. You can see I'm going to leave it like it is here once I get it on, and I'll see. But pretty easy, one bolt. Take it off, little Loctite, put it back on, connect your spring up right here. It should be a fairly straightforward, quick exchange. Then we're gonna do an oil change. But another nice thing, I don't have, let's see, up here, this is the closest thing I've got. That's for the front of the Ducati. And it doesn't quite fit around the back on this bike. So I've used my lift, as you can see. Got a padded metal pipe across the lift and just lifted it up in the back, and it's working great. So anyway, let me go ahead and grab a couple of tools and we'll swap this thing out pretty quickly. All right, so what you're gonna need back there is a 14 millimeter. Oops, there you go. So use this wrench on the back end, use my ratchet on the front side. There's just one bolt to take out. Right, cheer. Okay, just under that bolt, pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the springs on it. I think it'll be okay, and then just gently make sure it doesn't fly off on you, but I don't think there's enough strength to make it fly off. I'll let y'all know how that goes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take it off with the spring on there first. So I think it might be easier instead of trying to pull the spring off and scratch it up and whatever with pliers. But I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so first thing, yeah, the spring's a little tighter than I thought just by moving it around, and it's really hard to get the bolt out once the nut's off with the spring. So you're gonna have to get a hold of the spring with a pair of pliers. Right there, pretty easy to do. Pull down, pull off. Make sure it doesn't go flying across the room or hit you in the face, or if you put it on an eye, it's not my fault. So, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that bolt out and move on here. Okay, so you can see here, let me zoom back out. That's about the length discrepancy right there. Lined up right. There we go. So I think probably I'm a little short for how much I actually took off the height. So I'm gonna extend this out at least one place. Then I'll see how the bike sits and just have to make some adjustments. But very easy to get this thing on and back, or off, and then I think back on. So let me adjust this replacement and we'll go from there. Hey, all right, so don't forget your Loctite right here. And we are back on. And we'll put the spring on and we're done.